Hey everybody, and this is going to be a bit of a different video to normal, but the reason being is I just feel like things haven't been the same lately, and I guess I just wanted to discuss it. I guess I just needed to kind of get my thoughts out there. I wanted to kind of say it, because YouTube as a whole, I've been doing it for probably around 7 years now. Those 7 years weren't all this channel specifically, but I've been kind of messing around with content for about 7 years and started taking it a bit more seriously. I think it was around 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. And you see, I had this big dream and still do, because I still love making videos. But when your videos stop getting views, or you're not getting as many views, the motivation tends to go down, I guess. So, I mean, as you expect, you're putting all this hard work into something, but you're not receiving. Occasionally a video will pop off here and there, maybe I'll get 1,000 or 500 views, and that feels pretty good. It feels like, hey, I'm getting somewhere. I've got 1.17k subs, that's pretty cool. But somewhere along the way in the past year, I was sitting pretty decently for about 2 years. I wasn't doing awesome, but I wasn't doing bad either. I was kind of averaging around 200 on a good decent chunk of my videos for a while, and sometimes even over. And I had a pretty consistent viewer base. However, I've noticed probably over a little bit over a year now, is that's actually just really randomly dropped down. So I thought, maybe it's my content, the way I'm doing things. I mean, when I first was getting these amount of views, and I have talked about this before on the channel earlier this year, I really wasn't doing much editing at all, to be honest, and I only ever really recorded my videos as one big long thing, all in first person. I didn't even show my face back then. And those videos did pretty decently well. So when I started showing my face and got a tripod and started actually, I guess, trying to be a little bit more cinematic, I thought, well, this is definitely going to get the views up. And for a while, it was doing alright. And then, about a year and a bit ago, it just randomly stopped. And it's like, for a while, YouTube has been ever since, just doesn't want to recommend my stuff. I've experimented a little bit around with different types of content in that time space, but nothing that's diverged too far from the concept, which is just bushcrafty type stuff, I suppose. I try to keep my channel in that lane. That's kind of what popped off, so that's where I've kind of stuck for the past 4 years. Some like bushcrafty, hiding tents out in different places, that kind of thing. And, occasionally I get a little here or there, something pops off, but for the most part, YouTube just doesn't seem to push my videos out like it used to. Even though I personally think my videos are definitely more well done than they used to be, and I feel like have a more clear goal than they used to be. I don't know. To me, my thumbnails have definitely gotten better as well. They, to me, are better. But in the long run, for the past year and a bit, I've just noticed a really big decline in my videos, my content, and it's felt like I was going somewhere, and then somebody slapped the brakes on, and it just hasn't been able to really pick up the pace again since then. I guess I wanted to just kind of talk about my side of that, because obviously I have a life outside of this. This is a hobby for me. I don't like saying it's a hobby, because it's one of my true passions, so not being able to fully pursue it feels kind of crappy. Just like I've wanted to be an author since, it's a bit off topic, but also kind of on topic. I wanted to be an author since I was in grade 2. I'm 19 now, been out of school around 2 years, maybe a year and a half, something like that. And unfortunately, being an author isn't something you just go and do. I feel like all my passions are centered around something that you can't just go and study and get a job as. A bit of a shame, really, but for a while there with the YouTube thing, it kind of felt like, hey, this is going somewhere, and we're not going somewhere, and I guess what I'm trying to say is, when you go all into something, right, You're putting all this time and effort into it. And for a while, you're starting to see results. And you feel good about that. You feel like all your work is paying off. So you try to keep going bigger, better, and, learn new things to make your content better, I guess. And over that time, I think I have improved greatly. Like, the videos I produce now are nothing compared to what I did 4 years ago. Like, there is no comparison. I look back at those ones from 4 years ago and think, why did that get more views than what I'm doing now? Because quite honestly, I don't know why anyone bothered to watch those older videos. I actually don't know. It's really quite baffling. But it really, after a while though, you start putting in all that effort and you start to feel good because things are going somewhere. But when it suddenly comes crashing to a halt and everything just kind of stops, you just sit there like, why is that happening? And it hits the motivation tank pretty hard. And in fact, it doesn't just hit it, it straight up pierces it, and all the motivation just starts leaking out. But it's not a big all of a sudden leak for the motivation. No, it's like a small little pinprick that slowly declines over months and months and months, and it keeps slowly leaking out until eventually you hit a point where I think I'm at now, where you're questioning, why am I doing this? And it's the weird place to be in, because this thing you've gone from loving and wanting to do so much, and you still want to do so much, suddenly doesn't feel like you should be doing it anymore. Which is the weird part. If that even makes any sense. But it's just a weird thing. It's like YouTube as a whole, when it recommends its videos, it kind of just throws things out. I thought for a while, okay, I'll stick to this niche. This is what's doing well, the bush life stuff. Centered my whole channel around bush life, kind of rebranded it, all that stuff. And I thought, okay, we'll stick to this type of content. That's what people clearly want. I guess at the time, because I was back in grade 10 when I started getting views, I don't really know what I was doing. I'd only really just voice revealed. I was like horrified of that because I'm very introverted. So like just throwing myself out there like that has been a bit of a journey on its own. But it's weird to now be at this point now where I was getting up there, things are going well, and now it's really declined. And I sit there and I think, did I do something wrong? Did somewhere along the way I maybe switch something unconsciously that people didn't like? Or is it YouTube? YouTube just doesn't want to recommend my stuff anymore. It's a bit of a weird spot to be in because I'm not too sure. On one hand, I feel like maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I changed, or the way I do things changed and I just didn't realize. Or maybe YouTube just lost interest in my channel and, content and things and the way things are evolve over the years. So maybe just my content or the way I was doing it just isn't relevant anymore. People, I guess, would be interested in it, but YouTube, it's not like a top priority for YouTube, so it's not thinking that's worth it anymore. And having done this for a while now, and I've been really consistent over the past 2 years. Like I've been uploading sometimes multiple videos a week, every few days, and it starts to take it out of you when you give so much but you don't get it back. Now, back in school, I had a lot more time. Obviously, I was in school. I didn't do anything in school. I didn't do the work. So of course I had heaps of time because I'd sit in class on my phone. Teacher didn't even care. I'd just do my own thing. It's like, because of this slow decline and that motivation, as I said, leaking out, and also the fact that, I have to give up a lot of what I would once do as my me time to work on these projects, because, life gets busy. When you don't receive, it kind of kills you in a non-literal way, I guess. I don't know. You kind of feel... It makes you question if you should keep going, and I'm kind of at a weird point there. I don't want to stop, but at the same time, it's like it's slowly killing me to keep going. And it just sucks, because I don't quite know where I went wrong, or if it even is my doing. See, the problem is with it, when people don't watch your stuff, you can't judge what people don't want to see, I guess. it's hard to know what parts of your content people are enjoying when suddenly no one's tuning in. And then sometimes I think maybe it's me. Maybe I, as a person, am just not built for this. Maybe I'm not likable. Maybe I'm a little weird. I can be a little weird. I try to act kind of weird in my videos because I like to be a little lighthearted, a little funny. But maybe that's just not what people... Maybe people think it's too weird. I don't know. I can be a little random at times. I thought it was funny in the videos. Maybe it is funny in the videos. As I said, it's hard to get an idea of what people think when you don't really have people who are into your stuff. And just the random passerby that comments, "Oh, you suck, I hate your channel and everything about it." You can't trust that, because they've just seen like 1 or 2 of your videos and decided to hate you, so... you can't really take their advice, because it's not a very fair judgment, and the internet is just full of so much hate these days. It's pretty crappy. And I guess in a way, I miss when YouTube was at a point of time when you could just kind of upload a video of you just doing a little vlog of your life, and people just tuned in to see, hey, what's happening? And you know, nowadays everything feels like it has to be a big budget, big edited, like TV, movie level production. And for people like me that don't really have that, and to be honest, I don't really want that, because I like doing it all myself. You know, I like it being my little thing. It feels like you can't keep up with where YouTube is at this point. It's like it's outgrown what it was originally meant to be, and it's now turned into some sort of big budget, high production level platform, which isn't what got me into it in the first place. So I haven't been a big fan of it. I've always preferred the more traditional vlog style stuff. And sure, the big production stuff, it's cool. It's very interesting how it's taken that turn and seeing the kind of things people can produce. But I do miss the, I guess, old ways of YouTube, when someone could just turn on their camera, show something cool or something they're interested in, and it was just a video of them doing like a science experiment, or maybe just finding something cool, and that was enough for people to stay interested. But now it feels like you've got to have the next massive production, or you've got to have something happening every 10 seconds to keep the small brains of today intrigued, I guess. Like, you can't just let a moment happen. You've got to have something constantly happening, driving things forward to keep people engaged now. It's like you can't just let a moment be a moment in a video. Like, say I'm just climbed a mountain and I want to let you guys soak in a view. You can't just let that view soak in anymore. You've got to have like 20 different things on the screen at once, or like 20 different cuts in the span of 12 seconds to keep people interested. You can't just let that view sink in for 12 seconds. You can't just keep that view on screen and just have like a slow pan of the view and let people feel that moment that you're feeling. You've got to have like 20 other things happening, otherwise everyone's like, boring, don't want to watch this, bye, you're stupid, I hate your content, oh, you're funny, you're weird. I don't know. It's just weird, I guess. I don't know. I feel like I've gone a little off topic from where I started with this video, or maybe not. I rant quite easily, so I hope I haven't I hope what I said made sense here. I'm probably gonna end it here, because otherwise I'll just keep going and going, probably repeat myself 20 times and not really go anywhere from this point. I just wanted to say this because it's just something interesting I noticed about the state of YouTube and things right now, and I think I just needed to get this off my mind, I guess, and it was just kind of where I was at, and I've been deciding what I want to do from here, and I don't want to stop making videos, but I guess I've been deciding if I want to take a step back for a bit and trying to reevaluate what I should do, because I don't want to keep making videos for the sake of putting out content. If I make videos, I still want to enjoy it, and so far I just haven't, and I've been honestly kind of low on ideas, because I don't really know what people are looking for at the moment. So I guess that's kind of where I'm at. Of course, there's probably a lot of things I'm doing wrong, or I wouldn't say doing wrong, but could be doing better. I just don't know it, because as I said, hard to get that feedback. But anyways, I'm going to rant for 1,000 years. I'm going to end it here. If you did watch this, appreciate ya, and I'll catch yous later.